What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab for an unboxing and first impressions video that I've been waiting for a really long time. We finally have here in the lab the Rane 72, and we also have two Rane 12 digital turntables, all for Serato DJ. We're only going to unbox one 12 here today because the other 12 is sitting right here on the desk, ready to be sprawled out and ready to be put to really good use, really good work. So that way I can bring you guys an all-out, full, very in-depth review video of each individual piece. So you guys already know what these things are about. You've already seen my other videos from NAMM and the DJ Expo, the top secret room videos, where we explain everything that the Rane 12 and the Rane 72 has to offer. So I'm not going to get into all the details here, but this video is just for a really quick unboxing and first impressions to let you see what I think about them right here on the table right away as soon as I open up the package. So we should start off with the Rane 12. So let's start off with the Rane 12. Let's see what we get right inside of the box. Let's move this off to the side really quickly. First thing that comes in the box looks like the platter. Alright, first things we got in this smaller box here is the full-sized platter. It really feels just like a platter you're getting on any professional top dog turntable out there. And the bottom has a rubberized coating, really thick rubber coating on it. And it just feels like really high quality platter right up top. Next in the box, we get the real felt slip mat. It says Rane on it. Cool branding here. And on top of that, we get the white slip disc vinyl here. Already comes pre-mounted with the spindle carrier, so that way you can easily install this right there onto your Rane 12. Next up, you have a little Allen key here, so that way you can use this to install this onto the spindle of the motor. You also have a quick user's guide. Then you have some stickers in here, some Serato stickers. And that looks to be... Oh, you also have a registration card in here, so that way you can register your device, so that way it's under warranty. So next up on the side of one of the styrofoam protectors, we have the power cable. This is your normal style ICE, same thing that you use for your computer style power cable. And you also have a generic regular USB cable in here as well. Now on to the actual turntable itself. It's pretty heavy. So anybody who thought that they would rather use these instead of a regular turntable for your mobile gigs because you want to save on weight needs to guess again, because this thing is built like a tank and it's obviously not that small because you need the full size form factor to get your real vinyl feel when you're playing back with the Rane 12. So right off the bat, this thing feels very solid. It has that same metal feel that all of the really cool Rane mixers have to date. And it just has a nice overall aesthetic. It has a nice boxy look to it. And it's basically the same as what we saw on all of the other videos out there that were from the initial shows at the DJ Expo and at NAMM. Alright, so after we have it all together here, really cool unit. On the back you have your USB, you have your power, and you also have a really heavy duty on and off switch. You guys can definitely hear that through the mic. You also have your touch strip here at the top, so that way you can go through your track, or you can use this to activate your different hot cues. You have a nice sturdy feeling pitch slider here, and then you also have your pitch select here for 8%, 16%, and 50%. You also have a motor on-off knob, your start-stop buttons, 33 RPM and 45 RPM as well. So now let's get into the Rane 72. Alright, so here's the mixer that goes along with the Rane 12. Of course, you can use these two separately. They don't need to be working together with each other. You can buy just the mixer, or you can just buy the 12s, because this is a straight up controller and this is a straight up mixer. So they'll always work with Serato DJ no matter what you're using them with. But let's get into it and see what we get in the box. Alright, so the first few things that we have here is your big, thick user's guide. You also have a USB cable in here. Actually, you have two USB cables in here. It also comes with your Rane stickers, your warranty registration card, and it also comes with official control CDs as well. And you also get your license key for Serato DJ. So everything comes bundled right here in this package. Next thing we have is another power cable. This again is the same style power cable you use for your home computers. This is the standard style plug, so that way you know you have an internal power supply on both the 12 and the 72. Definitely a big, big plus. Alright, so all the way at the bottom of the box, I was happy to find that we have two black control vinyls for Serato DJ. Very, very good. Thank goodness they included this in the package. You should always get a pair of vinyl when you're also buying a controller or a mixer that's actually using DVS in order to play back on your turntables. This is just in case you're not using the 12s and you're using a real turntable. Of course, you get both your vinyl in the box, and you also are getting your CDs as well in the package. Alright, so next up is the mixer itself. Just the way I remember it from the DJ Expo and from NAMM 2018. Nice hard outer shell, just like with any of the other Rane mixers of past. Very nice, cool, boxy looking shape. Again, just as like the other Rane mixers, dual USBs, all the inputs and outputs you can ever need. You got your screen right here in the front, and you have all of the touch effects, all of your knobs and buttons that you need situated right where they need to be, so that way you can pull off the performance that you're looking for. You have your pads here at the bottom, nice and squishy pads, very responsive as when I used them the last time I was in the demo stadium. And you also have all three Mag X3 faders. So these are the newest faders brought to you by Rane DJ, and all three of the faders here are of the same high quality. So we're going to have a whole big huge video on just the Rane 12 to let you guys know exactly what this is all about in our full out review. We're going to also have the video for the Rane 12. That's going to be separate as well. And we're going to review both of these. Give me some time because I want to make sure this is the best review that you guys have seen on both of these pieces of DJ equipment. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up if you guys want to see more reviews just like this one. And as always, thanks for watching.